All right, so S&S and Alphabroder are merging. What? May 30th is going to be their official date. So Alphabroder will be of the past, and I think they're moving over to S&S, so you'll have to reach out to them if they haven't already merged your accounts. But I wanted to share a little secret that graphic designers or print shops could use, and that's what I have right here. So I gave them a call the other day. I was wondering about my account. I was ordering something, but I figured I'd ask for some of the stuff that I got here. I needed some updated swatches for my customers, and I asked if they can give me some swatches. So I asked them what they can get me, and they said everything. So this is everything, and let's take a look at it and see what we got inside. And it'll be a perfect addition to your shop if this is something you offer to your customers. So this is the first box. I opened it because I did not know what it was. I thought it was t-shirts, but apparently it's not. It still says it's coming from Alphabroder. So we have this Champion Printwear. So this is their blank stuff. Hoodies, t-shirts, but again, what I'm really looking for is this. This is the swatch. This is all the colors, no guesswork. This is what your customers are gonna see. What they're gonna get should be close. Comfort wash. They have one, they also have it. So they're all just little cutout fabrics. All the color names and the Pantone colors to them. Here's a Hanes Beefy Tee. Perfect tee. Oh wow, they have a lot of colors here. Look at all that. Now that was what came in that separate box. This is the main box. This is nice. It says Gildan here, Comfort Colors, American Apparel. I guess that's all the same company from what I understand. Now, okay, so this is what comes inside of this box. I mean, what I actually asked for was all of the brands. So Next Level, Bella, Canvas, Comfort Colors is a good one. So this is what's inside. It says, this is S&S. They have all their shipping times. 1 day here, 2 days here, 3 days here. The first one is American Apparel. Swatch sheet for that. There's all the color names, the Pantone colors, different fabrics that they offer. There's all the styles, simple version. This is the Bella Canvas. It looks like this one is just thrown in there. It doesn't have the 3-hole punches. They have all their colors, solid. Heather CVC, that's the 60/40. Tri-blend. Fleece. Over 300 colors. That's interesting. Here's a repeat of the Champion. This is Comfort Colors. So 1717 model is very popular with them. All their colors there. Comfort Wash. I believe that was a repeat. And Gildan again here. Hanes again. This is jerseys. This is how that looks. And what else do we have? Next Level. There you go. There's Next Level. They like to use their 3600 and the 6210s. Those are their t-shirts. Oh wow, they have a lot of colors. All these swatch. This fell out. This is Totex. I believe that this is the S&S exclusive brand. All the swatches here. And Lad Apparel and Rabbit Skins. They have really nice infant stuff and adult stuff to match. So if you're looking to make some collegiate gear with some baby stuff together, these are really good. Really soft stuff, and they're They pride themselves in the infant clasp. They're made of plastic and they are able to be used with one hand instead of the metal clasp that you're used to. The Russell Athletics, pretty basic with them. And again, this is all free. You just gotta ask for it. You have to know to ask for it. Give them a call. Call their contact line, give them your account number. If you don't have one, start one, and just ask for their swatches. You get a head start, be able to gain trust with your customers because they'll be able to see, it'll cut down some of the confusion that they see online and make it worth it for them to go to your shop.